Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KK Vlogs. In this video, I am going to explain you how to get Tirumala Venkateshwar Swami Special Entry Darshan and Tirchanur Ammavari Darshan within one day. So within one day, you will get Tirumala Venkateshwar Swami Darshanam and Tirchanur Ammavari Darshanam. So no need to take any special entry darshan 300 rupees ticket or free darshanam ticket. No need to take any ticket. So without having darshanam ticket, we can go for darshanam. So I will explain complete details regarding this in this video. So please watch the video till end so that you will get complete idea on this. So let's start the video. So this video is about IRCTC Divine Balaji Darshan package. Okay. So this package cost around 990 rupees. So I will open website and I will explain all the details. So from official website, what is the rules we need to follow, where we need to gather, and what is the transportation, food, what is the food they are providing, everything I will cover in this video. So I will explain all them from official website only. So everything will be clear from there. So I'm opening Chrome in my laptop, and here you need to search irctctourism.com. So I'm opening this link irctctourism.com. So this is the official IRCTC website. So here enter origin destination city. So here we need to enter Tirumala. So I'm selecting Tirumala here. So the first result itself is Divine Balaji Darshan. So this package is for one day. So destination Tirchanur and Tirumala. Okay. So by our own vehicle or private vehicle, bus or railway station, we need to go by own to Tirupati railway station. So from there the package will start. So up to Tirupati railway station we need to go by our own only. Okay. So from here we need to book Divine Balaji Darshan package. Okay. So before that, let's see the complete details regarding this Divine Balaji Darshan. So there are overview something. So here is the overview. So once we look into all the details, then we can book here. You can see book now option here. So here overview, click here to download client voucher. So I already downloaded this client voucher. So I will open that client voucher. So in the client voucher, all the details is available. So this is the client voucher, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited. So this is the official PDF provided by IRCTC regarding this Divine Balaji Darshan. Okay. Client voucher, Divine Balaji Darshan, Tirumala Tirchanur plan. So day one, this is only one day plan. So only one day will be there for this plan. 990 rupees we need to pay for this package. So let's look into all the details quickly. Pick up from Tirupati railway station in the morning by 8. We need to go Tirupati railway station on or before 8 a.m. in the morning. So if you are going by 10th March, so on the day 10th March morning 8 a.m. or before 8 a.m. we need to reach Tirupati railway station by our own cost. So from here package will start. So first they will take us from Tirupati to Tirumala. So Darshanam, SCD of Lord Venkateshwara. SCD means Special Entry Darshanam. So Special Entry Darshanam ticket will be 300 and we need to book it from online. So if you want to go by taking the Special Entry Darshan 300 rupees ticket, I made a separate video on this. So I will provide that video link in the cards and in the description. So from there you can watch that video. So if you take this package, so here no need to take any Special Entry Darshanam ticket or free Darshanam ticket. Only if you buy this package is enough. So SCD will be covered in this package itself. Okay. So will be done by 13 hours. So by afternoon 1 p.m. Darshanam will be done. Lord Venkateshwar Swami Special Entry Darshanam will be done. Okay. It also depends on the rush on that particular day. So the timings they mentioned as by 1 p.m. Darshanam will be finished, they mentioned, but it may depend on that particular day rush. It depends upon crowd. it depends from 1 p.m to 2 p.m or 3 p.m. Okay, after lunch at own cost. So after darshanam we need to have lunch, right? So lunch is at our own cost. So lunch means food is not provided in this package, so lunch is at our own cost. So if you want to have free food, free anna prasadam in Vengamamba, Tirumala Vengamamba, free anna prasadams on daily basis they will provide. So we can have that. The food will be excellent food they will provide, even though it is free. Excellent food they will provide in free anna prasadam Vengamamba. So we can have lunch there. Visit of Tirchanur. So after lunch, post lunch, visit of Tirchanur for darshan of Sri Padmavati Ammavari. So after lunch they will take us through AC bus transportation through Tirchanur Sri Padmavati Ammavari temple. So from Tirumala directly the transport will go to Tirchanur temple. Okay, there Sri Padmavati Ammavari darshanam we can have, and finally drop at Tirupati railway station in the evening. So by evening on the same day we can reach again Tirupati railway station. So by reaching Tirupati railway station in the evening, the package will be closed. So important, they highlighted and in red color they mentioned all this. Let's look into it quickly. So all pilgrims, tourists should produce their personal ID cards. So everyone who are going through this package, they need to take original photo ID proof like Aadhaar card. If you, while booking the ticket, while taking the package, if you mention it as a photo ID proof of Aadhaar, so you need to carry your original Aadhaar card while going for this. So if they fail to produce, TTD administration will not permit for darshan. So clearly they mentioned that TTD won't allow if you fail to produce original ID proof at the time of darshan, and IRCTC is not responsible for the same. So if you didn't take your personal photo ID proof, so it's our fault. IRCTC is not responsible for that, they clearly mentioned. And child less than 5 years is complimentary. Child should carry ID card. So even for children you need to carry photo ID. So Aadhaar card you need to carry even for children. So mandatory dress code. So dress code also mandatory. Only in traditional dress we need to go for darshanam. So gents dhoti, white dhoti, shirt, kurta, pajama for gents, and ladies sari or salwar. Okay, so only in traditional dress we need to go for darshanam, they clearly mentioned. And all pilgrims are requested not to wear clothes such as t-shirt, jeans. So they're clearly saying that t-shirt, jeans are not allowed while going for darshanam, as the same are strictly prohibited irrespective of any age group. So for all the age groups, only traditional dress they need to wear. So irrespective of traditional group, t-shirt and jeans are strictly prohibited. Let's look into what does the package includes. AC road transportation on sharing basis. So on sharing basis, AC road transportation they will provide from Tirupati railway station to Tirumala, and from Tirumala to Tirchanur Sri Padmavati Ammavari temple. Okay, and darshanam SCD at Tirumala. SCD in the sense special entry darshanam at Tirumala. So this package includes special entry darshanam at Tirumala. So no need to take from our side, no need to take any special entry darshan 300 rupees ticket. And travel insurance. So insurance is covered in this package. So travel insurance is covered. All applicable taxes are covered in this package. So no need to pay any additional money. So all applicable taxes are included in this package. So what does the package exclude? Let's look into them. Any service not specified in inclusions. So whatever not included in inclusions, those are all excluded. Special entry ticket of Sri Padmavati Ammavari temple. So for special entry darshan in Tirumala Venkateshwar Swami only included in this package. So in Tirchanur Sri Padmavati Ammavari temple, so if you want to go through special darshan, you need to take compulsorily, you need to take at your own cost. So it was not covered in this package. Or you need to go by free darshanam in Sri Padmavati Ammavari temple. So this IRCTC package doesn't include any special darshan ticket of Sri Padmavati Ammavari temple. Okay, hotel accommodation, no, they are not providing any hotel accommodation in this package. No food service, food is at our own cost. and so no guide service, so no guide will be available with you. They are not providing in this package. Arrangements for offering for hair. So for tonsure hair offering also, this package is not including. So if you want to offer your hair, that is excluded from this package. So hair offerings are excluded from this package. Okay. And pickup and meeting points. IRCTC TIFC counter platform number 1 near main entrance. So in Tirupati railway station, platform number 1 main entrance at TIFC counter, we need to go there morning 8 a.m. before 8 a.m. or on or before 8 a.m. we need to go to TIFC counter. So from here the package will start. And contact number details. So Pawan Errana, few contact details and emergency contact numbers they gave here. So after watching the video, if you still have any doubts regarding this package, you can contact to these numbers. So emergency contact numbers and Tirupati Pawan and Errana numbers they provided here. So if you still have any doubts regarding this package, you can have this, you can contact them. So that is the client voucher. We wish you a happy and safe journey. Okay, thank you. So coming back to IRCTC official website, so I've explained all the details regarding this Divine Balaji Darshan. So let's look into how to book this Divine Balaji Darshan. So I'm just clicking on book now. So here the basic details. Starting date we need to give. Okay, so if I select 6th March, so here comfort you can see not available. So this Divine Balaji Darshan package is not available for 6th March 2021. So we need to pick other date, like I am selecting 18th March 2021. So you can see 18th March available categories comfort available. So only here if you see available, then only you can book the package on the day. So on 18th March morning on or before 8 a.m. we need to go to Tirupati railway station. So occupancy for adults, the package will be 990, and for children 5 to 11 years also same rate. So for below 5-year child you need to carry photo ID, and for them no need to take this, no need to pay 990 rupees. So but for child 5 and above childs, for all the adults 990 rupees is the package. So number of passengers, so up to limit 1 to 10 is the maximum limit. So I'm just selecting 1 and I'm clicking on continue. So here in the second page we need to give passenger details like first name, last name, age, gender, male or female, ID card types, Aadhaar, PAN, passport, driving license, voter ID are available. So it's better to opt for Aadhaar card and give your Aadhaar number. So as I said, travel insurance will be covered in this package. We can give nominee details, contact number, relation with passenger. So GST tax, as I said, tax is also included in the package. So it came by default, no GST came by default. So contact details, mobile number, email address. So after giving all your details, just click on submit. So once you click on submit, in the third page just review of the details and confirming the Divine Balaji Darshan. So in this way we can book Divine Balaji Darshan. So by taking this Divine Balaji Darshan package, no need to take any darshanam ticket also. So within one day we can have darshanam of Lord Venkateshwar Swami and Sri Padmavati Amavari darshanam in Tirchanur within one day, and by evening we can again visit to Tirupati railway station. So this is the package details. So I explained clearly all the details in this video. So I hope the video is helpful. If the video is useful to you, please like, comment and share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.